Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one we have 2x. This one we have number 1. So we have negative number 6. This one that is about the constant. So you got number 0. Because we just have only 3 minus x, so we need to divide both sides by negative number 2. So this one we change for u. 3 minus x dx we change for this one. Next, this one that is about u to the power of 1 over 3. The integration of this one, we have 1 over 3 plus 1 over 1 over 3 plus 1, and I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. So this one we have 4 over 3. This is the end. Thank you for watching.